Okay, we're in this area called Largo de Pac On, and I'll tell you all about it in a minute, but I'll tell you one thing, it's pretty industrial. You got all kinds of stuff, so we're really gonna walk straight down Largo de Pac On and start out showing you how industrial it is. So there's like that red and white kind of factory looking thing, and then we're just gonna show you all this stuff too. German technology, so a bunch of car shops, TCM. So okay, so we'll be back in a minute and we're gonna walk up that way to the waterway. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Largo de Pac On. So yeah, there's they fix cars, Suzuki, so these different kind of car mechanics and different stuff like that, and racing, solar racing team, German technology, bunch of wheels, cars. We're gonna walk straight up this way to see what we can see, and just in general, there's a lot of kind of cool looking cars too. Giant wheels over there, and we're just gonna walk straight up this way and just kind of check it out. I think this is like a bus depot kind of area. So they have some buses are kind of coming and going here, and I think that we can see how far we can go, but I think we can't go too far, but you can definitely see a very industrial feel for sure. I was thinking we could walk to the water, but I don't know if we can or not. But you can see all these cars, I think are I don't know, there's some buses over there too. Is that one a security van next? Let's see. We're gonna be able to walk around in here. Maybe no. It says Largo de Pac On. We'll see if we can walk around. We'll try. Well, we'll follow this street no matter what, anyways, and we'll see what's here. Old cars. Oh, there's some guys. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Up above is the cemetery, so all that stuff is the cemetery there. And it looks like there's a lot of old cars everywhere. Let me just see. That's kind of cool. This one looks like you can sit around a table and just kind of relax, and there's a tractors, forklift. I thought we could walk to the sea over there. There's the ocean over there, but I don't think we can get over there. But we can kind of check out all this stuff. So all that stuff up in the hills is all kind of gravestones and cemetery kind of stuff. Factories, these kind of vehicles. Yeah, every city has stuff like this somewhere, so this is one of the places that it's at in Macau. You can see all kinds of stuff like screwdrivers or whatever those are, little auto body parts all over the place. Here's Mercedes-Benz. So Mercedes-Benz, I guess somebody has to do the work on them when there's problems, and there's definitely Benzes around here. Looks like we can't go to the seaside, but there's another, lots of mechanic stuff here. All these vehicles, looks like they work on them. There's like a little garage kind of stuff with things to work on there. All kinds of stuff. Really feel like I'm in somebody's backyard or property. But it is another side of Macau. So yeah, this whole hillside basically has all the cemetery stuff, and I've been up in this road on the other side, and I didn't realize how it looks from down here. But yeah, this whole cemetery overlooks it, and down there's some apartments, and I've heard that those apartments are people feel a little uncomfortable to be this close to the graveyard kind of stuff. So I don't know. Anyway, it's this little Largo de Pac On, and I guess we'll end it there. This one shouldn't be that much longer than that anyways, right? You don't want some long video. So, okay. So we basically started around there. That's that one that has the German technology. We went around all this little circle all the way around here, and then we came out over this way. And it looks like there's more of the cemetery stuff directly ahead. Definitely up all this way right here as well. And then straight away down there, I think there's kind of like a waterway. And it looks like some parks. Buses park over here. I don't know what's over there. Let's just take a look. Anyways, okay, we're gonna end it there on Pac On. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.